May I have your lordship's leave to commence the proceedings?
Yes.
May I have your lordship's leave to read out the notifications issued by the Joint Secretary to the Government of India, Ministry of Law and Justice, Department of Justice, Appointments Division, New Delhi.
Yes.
To be published in the Gazette of India, Part 1, Section 2, number K. 11019 by 112 by 2025 dash US Roman 1 Roman 2, Government of India, Ministry of Law and Justice, Department of Justice, Appointments Division, Jaisalmer House, 26 Mansingh Road, New Delhi 110011, dated 14 July 2025. Notification. In exercise of the power conferred by Clause 1 of Article 222 of the Constitution of India, the President, after consultation with the Chief Justice of India, is pleased to transfer Sri Justice Lanusungkum Jamir, Judge, Gauhati High Court, to be a judge of Calcutta High Court and to direct him to assume charge of his office in the Calcutta High Court. Jagannath Srinivasan, Joint Secretary to the Government of India. May I have your lordship's leave to read out the authorization made by the Honorable Governor of West Bengal in favor of the Honorable the Chief Justice?
Yes.
Governor of West Bengal, order. By virtue of the power vested in me by Article 219 of the Constitution of India, I, Dr. C.V. Ananda Bose, Governor of West Bengal, do hereby appoint Sri T.S. Shivagyanam, Honorable Chief Justice, High Court, Calcutta, or any other senior-most Honorable Judge of Calcutta High Court, before whom Sri Justice Lanusungkum Jamir, Judge, Gauhati High Court, shall make and subscribe an oath or affirmation according to the form set out in Schedule 3 of the Constitution of India before they enter upon their office of a Judge of the Calcutta High Court, signed by Dr. C.V. Ananda Bose, dated 15 July 2025. May I now most humbly request the Honorable the Chief Justice to administer oath of the office to the Honorable Justice Lanusungkum Jamir as Judge of the Honorable High Court at Calcutta.
Yes. I,
Lanusungkum Jamir,
having been appointed as Judge of the High Court at Calcutta,
having been appointed as Judge of the High Court at Calcutta,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will duly and faithfully,
that I will duly and faithfully,
and to the best of my ability, knowledge, and judgment,
and to the best of my ability, knowledge, and judgment,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection, or ill will,
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
Twenty second. One photograph will take.
Okay.
I will.
May I request the learned Additional Solicitor General to deliver his speech.
Honorable the Chief Justice,
honorable judges, the deputy solicitor generals, the president and secretaries of the bar associations, the respected family members and guests of Honorable Justice Jamir, the senior advocates present, all those present here, members of registry. My Lord, Mr. Justice Lanusungkum Jamir, I welcome you on behalf of Government of India and the lawyers of Government of India and on behalf of the bar as Susagatam to Calcutta High Court. And before your Lordship took oath, your Lordship was a guest, and I also address you as Otithi Devo Bhavo. My Lord Mr. C. Jamir, possibly your Lordship is aware of the great tradition of this court. Apart from the luminaries of both of the bar and the bench, laying down the law to be guided for all of India, there was a contribution of the Calcutta High Court that I shall narrate now. The Constituent Assembly members, some contribution was there for the Calcutta High Court and West Bengal, and the Constituent Assembly members wanted the famous painter of Bengal, Sri Nandalal Bose, to paint on each and every chapter of the Constitution. The original Constitution is preserved in the Parliament, in the National Library, in the Asiatic Society, and some other places, where the preamble to the Constitution, the Nandalal Bose depicted Vedic civilization. Then the fundamentalized Lord Ram and Devi Sita coming back from Sri Lanka, the directive principles by Lord Krishna, and then Nataraj, Guru Nanak, Akbar, and all that. There was an attempt to Indianize the law in the Constitution. And if we find time, we shall be able to show and interpret that the entire Indian Constitution was Indianized. This inspiration was spread by Sir Ashutosh Mukherjee in his Lordship's numerous judgments. Then Dr. Justice Durgadas Bose, the eminent jurist, in his Sanskrit jurisprudence and Indian jurisprudence, and my Lord Mr. M. Bhattacharya, the Chief Justice, who used to refer to Sanskrit jurisprudence and Sanskrit in his judgments. My Lord, is a pride of Calcutta, Indianization. There are some similarities between the Northeast Assam and West Bengal in respect of those laws which are made applicable to the state of West Bengal, Bihar, Orissa, and Assam. Those are laws relating to 1912, applicable in respect of Bihar, Assam, Orissa, the Regulating Act of 1773, and some other laws which were made applicable, the Government of India Act of 1858, those are made applicable for whole of India, the Transfer of Property Act and the Contract Act. Now, this, apart from the applicability of these laws, your Lordship has a vast experience, I find from your Lordship's biodata, that your Lordship was enrolled in all the bar councils of Northeast. And therefore, your Lordship has undergone a vast experience. Now, I can unify both West Bengal and Assam on the phonetics, except that there is difference in the accent. There are similarities. There are similarities in regard to the culture. That is, Lord Adi Shankaracharya wanted to establish a mott in Kamakha, but Devi Kamakha in a dream instructed Adi Shankaracharya not to establish a mott in Kamakha, and ultimately Shankaracharya established that in Puri, which is Govardhan Mott. Now, Kamakha Peeth is one of the famous peeths of Tantra, where millions of people visit for fulfillment of the desires, and the sloka which is mentioned in the Sanskrit is Jang Jang Chintayate Kamong Tong Tong Prapnoti Nishchitam Parameshwarjam Sulang Pasate Bhutale Puman. Whosoever prays before Devi Kamakha, his desires are fulfilled. We have similarly the pits in Kalighat, the Tantra pit, and other pits. There are similarities in respect of the tribal cultures of Assam and West Bengal. West Bengal had also the tribal cultures, the community music, the community dance, and all those. Not the festivals like Bihu culture in Assam, and here our post-Parban are similar. Now, your Lordship is aware of the ethnic groups of 200 groups in Assam who had their separate language. We have also some similar languages here in respect of those people who have migrated from Santal Pargana and settled in West Bengal of different languages. Now, my Lord, this apart from these similarities, we find similarities in respect of tea gardens, both in Assam and West Bengal, the tea plantations, the culture around the mighty Brahmaputra river, and here Devi Ganges, except that the Brahmaputra was described as North and Devi Ganges was described as Nodi. My Lord, this unification of culture from West Bengal, what I can offer your Lordship today is Rasagolla and Sandesh of West Bengal and variety of fishes. On behalf of the bar, I wish your Lordship long life. And I expect that your Lordship will rise to the expectations of the bar and the litigants. And I want to watch your Lordship's great career with great admiration. Joy Hind.
May I request the Vice President, Bar Library Club, to deliver his speech.
Honorable Chief Justice, Honorable Justice Lanusungkum Jamir, Honorable Judges, Additional Solicitor General, Office Bearers of the three wings of the Bar, members of the Registry, family members of Justice Jamir, ladies and gentlemen. It is with a sense of both pleasure and respect that I, on behalf of the Bar Library Club, welcome your Lordship, Justice Jamir, as a member of the family of Calcutta High Court. Change, they say, is an inevitable part of life. The question is this change for the better or for the worse? Without meaning any disrespect to the majesty of any High Court, I dare say that your Lordship will not regret your Lordship's transfer from Gauhati to Calcutta. The city is resplendent with warmth and hospitality, and these sentiments extend to the High Court as well. The architecture, the tradition, the culture, the vibrancy of the bar will surely make your stay here worth the while. The Bar Library Club, the Bar Association, and the Incorporated Law Society make up a huge bar, but it is a helpful and cooperative bar who stand beside and behind all guests and family members. From today, your Lordship ceases to be a guest. You become a part of our family. Our support will be unflinching and genuine. We wish you a happy and successful tenure. We wish you warmth, hospitality, and of course, plenty of matters to hear and dispose of. I'm grateful.
May I request the President, Bar Association, to deliver his speech.
My Lord the Chief Justice, my Lord Justice Lanusungkum Jamir, my Lords, the learned Additional Solicitor General, the President and Office Bearers of Bar Library Club, Incorporated Law Society, and the Office Bearers and members of my Bar Association. Lord, on behalf of about 12,000 members of the Bar Association, High Court, Calcutta, it is my proud privilege to welcome your Lordship to Kolkata, the city of joy and as a judge of Calcutta High Court. My Lord, on behalf of our members and on behalf of my executive committee, including the secretary and other office bearers, I assure your lordship of our fullest cooperation with your lordship in the discharge of your lordship's judicial duties. My Lord, Calcutta High Court is one of the oldest high courts. Similarly, our Bar Association is also one of the oldest bar associations in India. 2 or 3 years ago, we had celebrated the 200th birth anniversary of the first president of the Bar Association, who afterwards became the first Indian judge of Calcutta High Court. My Lord, our Bar High Court has 3 libraries. Previously, there was a clear demarcation. Bar Library Club used to be an association of barristers. Incorporated Law Society used to be an association of solicitors, and our Bar Association used to be an association of advocates. That distinction is no longer there, but we are the association with highest number of members, 12,000 members. My Lord, I'm sure that with your lordship's vast experience as a lawyer and a judge, our Calcutta High Court will be benefited. And I find that your lordship has an experience as an advocate for 36 years. Your lordship has an experience as additional senior advocate Nagaland for 9 years, as additional advocate general for 4 years, and a judge for 12 years. My Lord, once again, on behalf of Bar Association, your lordship, I wish your lordship best. And as representative of the Bar Association, from this moment onwards, your lordship was a member of our legal fraternity of the Calcutta. I wish your lordship again the very best.
May I request the President, Incorporated Law Society, to deliver his speech.
Lord the Chief Justice, the honorable judges of this court, my Lord Mr. Justice Jamir, the learned additional Solicitor General, President and Secretary Bar Library Club, President Secretary of the Bar Association, members of the registry, members of the profession, and all present in court. On behalf of Incorporated Law Society, I heartily welcome you to this honorable court as a judge. We have seen that your lordship has got enough experience as in the practice as also as a judge. Therefore, the expectancy from your lordship will be much greater so far as we are concerned. And we are certain that lordship is going to fulfill our desire and expectation. Your stint in this honorable court may not be very, very long, but we are sure that lordship is going to make your mark in this honorable court. As in the profession also, we are ready to help you out whenever you require us to do so. We would be there to help you in every respect, either in court or outside court. We are sure that lordship is going to enjoy your lordship's stint in this honorable court, and we wish you a long and happy life.
May I now most humbly request the Honorable Justice Lanusungkum Jamir to address the House.
Honorable Justice T.S. Sivaknanam, the Chief Justice of the Calcutta High Court, Honorable Justice Suman Sen, Honorable Justice Sojoy Paul, my other brothers and sisters on the bench, Mr. Ashok Kumar Chakravarti, Learned Additional Solicitor General, Mr. Utpal Bose, Vice President, Bar Library Club, Mr. Ashok Kumar Dantania, President, Bar Association, Mr. Deepak Narayan Mitra, President, Incorporated Law Society, learned senior members of the bar, and other members of the bar. I began by expressing my heartfelt gratitude to the Honorable Chief Justice of the Calcutta High Court for giving me the opportunity to address this august gathering on the occasion of my joining as a judge of this esteemed institution. It is both a privilege and an honor to be a part of this historic seat of justice, which has been the beacon of knowledge and law for so many years. The legacy of the Calcutta High Court, the oldest high court in India, overwhelms me. As one of the three chartered high courts of our nation, its profound impact on the legal, political, and social fabric of a country cannot be overstated. It has produced eminent legal luminaries whose contributions have shaped the destiny of our nation. We remain eternally indebted to them for their monumental influence. I am also acutely aware of the richness of the bar of the Calcutta High Court, rich not only in knowledge and experience, but also in its culture and unwavering commitment to the cause of justice. It is my sincere hope that, though engaging with the distinguished members of the bar, I will continue to grow in my understanding of the law and the nuances of justice during my tenure here. To briefly share my journey, I graduated in law in 1988 from the Northeastern Hill University and was enrolled with the Bar Council of Assam, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Manipur, and Tripura in 1989. My legal career provided me the opportunity to serve as Additional Senior Government Advocate for Nagaland in November 2000, followed by my appointment as Additional Advocate General for Nagaland in March 2009. In May 2013, I was elevated to the bench as an additional judge of the Gauhati High Court, after which I had the privilege to serve at the Manipur High Court, ultimately becoming a permanent judge. In 2022, I returned to the Gauhati High Court before being transferred here to the Calcutta High Court. I must admit that upon hearing of my transfer from the Gauhati High Court to Calcutta, I experienced a sense of uncertainty and apprehension. The prospect of adjusting to a new environment and culture was daunting. However, the warmth, openness, and graciousness extended to me by everyone here have put me at ease and made me feel truly welcome. I come from a community where simplicity, transparency, and human connection are valued, and I find that these same qualities are reflected here in abundance. The concerns I initially harbored have completely dissipated, and I look forward to contributing meaningfully to this esteemed institution. I will bring with me the values and principles I have imbibed during my tenure at the Gauhati and Manipur High Courts, and will strive to enrich this court in whatever small way I can. I fully recognize the tremendous responsibilities that comes with being a judge, and I pledge to carry out my duties with diligence, integrity, and fairness, always keeping the cause of justice at the forefront of my actions. In closing, I express my deepest gratitude once again to all who have welcomed me
and I look forward to learning, contributing, and serving with dedication in this honorable institution. Thank you. Namaskar. Jai Hind.
May I have the leave of your lordship to declare the proceedings as concluded?
Yes.
The proceedings are hereby declared to be concluded.